Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is David and today I want to talk about benzoyl peroxide. It's one of my favorite ingredients to use to help clear up your acne. But before I begin, as a disclaimer, I am not a dermatologist or a medical professional. I am a skincare enthusiast and this video is purely informational. It does not contain medical advice. If you do want to start a treatment, it is best to see a dermatologist. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Benzoyl peroxide is a very affordable and effective ingredient you can find in many skincare products in your local drugstore. They're pretty inexpensive, ranging anywhere from $5 to $15 depending on the product. Benzoyl peroxide is an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredient. Benzoyl peroxide is great at attacking the acne bacteria or P. acne at its source. Acne bacteria, they thrive in an anaerobic environment, which is an environment that lacks oxygen. Benzoyl peroxide is also lipophilic and a keratolytic agent, meaning it's able to penetrate into your pores and dissolve in oil. It's going to really be able to help break up all of that buildup of secretion, such as oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. Also, can't become resistant to bacteria compared to other acne antibiotics, and is often used in conjunction with other acne treatments. When applying benzoyl peroxide topically, it releases free oxygen radicals that have potent bactericidal activity, bringing oxygen into the anaerobic environment and killing the acne-causing bacteria. It can be quite irritating and drying on the skin. Some side effects you can experience are drying, itchiness, redness, peeling, flaking, swelling, as well as bleaching. Benzoyl peroxide can also bleach the hair as well as the fabric. So if you're using benzoyl peroxide in the evening before you go to bed, you want to be careful of the benzoyl peroxide coming in contact with your pillowcase or your shirt. It comes in concentrations of 2.5, 4, 5, and 10%. And they come in different types of forms, such as a wash-off product like a cleanser or a leave-on product. One of my favorite ways to use benzoyl peroxide is in a facial cleanser. You would use it like a typical facial cleanser, avoiding the contour of the eye and very sensitive areas on your face, and you can leave it on for an extra minute or two. This really allows that benzoyl peroxide to really do its job of penetrating into the pores and attacking the acne bacteria. Using a facial cleanser with benzoyl peroxide also greatly reduces the risk of potential irritation compared to using a leave-on product. If you have acne in other parts of your body, such as your back or your chest, you can also use a facial cleanser. I would recommend to use it in the shower. Wash your face with the cleanser and the parts of your body that has acne. Let it sit for a minute or two, wash it off, moisturize your areas really well, and wear SPF in the morning. If you have sensitive skin, or if you've never used benzoyl peroxide before, or even those who have used it in the past and experienced severe irritation, I would recommend to use a method of application called contact therapy. Contact therapy is where you leave the product on for a short period of time before rinsing or removing the product. Whether it's a spot treatment or a gel or a cream you would apply all over your face. You can leave it on anywhere from a couple of minutes to a few hours. This is also a great way to introduce benzoyl peroxide into your routine, especially if you have sensitive skin. This reduces the likelihood and risk of side effects, and you're also getting that benefit of the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. One thing I really like about benzoyl peroxide is you don't need a long contact time to see results and for the benzoyl peroxide to really do its magic. You can leave it on for a short period of time and you'll still be able to get great results. Also, using contact therapy in the evening routine before you go to bed is a great way to prevent bleaching. If you're someone who doesn't go to bed right away but watches their favorite Netflix show or reads a book, before going to bed you can wipe the product away using a damp washcloth or a cotton pad, or you can rinse the area with water and re-moisturize and go to bed, and that will help minimize or reduce the risk of bleaching. Also, if you want to use benzoyl peroxide in other parts of your body, such as your chest or your back, I would recommend to wear an old t-shirt you don't mind ruining. I'm pretty sure we all have t-shirts that we haven't worn in several years hiding in our drawer or in our closet. Whip those out and apply the product on your body area that have acne and wear that to sleep. There are many studies that show using a 2.5% concentration is just as effective as a 10%. I know for a lot of people who have acne, we may get impatient and desperate, wanting to get rid of our acne as quickly as possible, and we may opt for the highest concentration of an active ingredient. thinking that it will do a better and quicker job of getting rid of the acne. But in many cases, that doesn't happen. It just ends up irritating our skin further and damaging our skin barrier. Using a 10% compared to a 2.5% is gonna make the skin more agitated, and you're gonna experience a lot more of that side effects. And that's also gonna hinder the acne healing process. For many people, 2.5% is gonna be adequate enough for you to be able to really see great results. Benzoyl peroxide works for a lot of people, but it's not for everyone. Unfortunately, when it comes to skincare and acne in particular, there is no one magic holy grail product that will universally clear everyone of their acne. If there is, please let me know, because I would love to try that product. Skincare is all about trial and error. You won't know if the product will work for you unless you try it yourself. I would also recommend to patch test any new product before you introduce it into your skincare routine. This will prevent any allergic reaction, irritation, or breakouts you may experience on the face if you just applied it all over. Thank you so much for watching my video. Feel free to share your favorite acne skincare products. I would love to know what's working for you. And please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more skincare content. Hopefully everyone is staying safe during this time, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.